Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. We are out doing some aerations today, and as you have heard me say, and you probably have heard other places as well, now's the time to do aerations. Aerations are done in the fall and in the spring, and you kind of have a narrow window to get them done. Now, I want to explain why that is. The primary reason for that, for Bermuda grass, for St. Augustine, for our area basically, is your temperatures. You want to do an aeration whenever the temperatures are somewhere between 70 to 85 up to 90 degrees. That's when you want to have the aerations done. What you're doing is a core aeration is poking a hole in the ground and removing the core, and that exposes the root system. So if you have extreme temperatures, whether hot or cold, that's going to put unneeded stress on the root system of your turf, and it can cause some problems. So that's why you have a somewhat of a narrow window to get your aerations done, and that's why it's a spring and a fall application. And right now it's a good time to do it. We've got great weather in the forecast over the next 10 days, so go out there and get your aeration done. If you do miss the deadline, however, or if you do miss the temperature range to get your aerations done, you can always do a liquid application. A liquid aeration is a different topic I'll talk about another day, but that one's not temperature sensitive like the core aerations are. So hope that helps. Have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. Thanks.